Hi, welcome to the UiLover. Today I'm showing you this movie app UI built with Jetpack Compose. Let's take a quick look.
This is Cinephile, a cinematic movie discovery app built with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. The discovery screen leads with Nebula Drift, a large poster, genre tags, rating, and one clear Watch Now action. The details screen adds metadata, synopsis, cast, and a watchlist control. Then the watchlist organizes saved movies in a clean two-column poster grid. The visual system is intentionally simple. A near-black background keeps the artwork dominant. Red is reserved for main actions, while soft pink supports icons, labels, and secondary information. Large titles establish the hierarchy, and rounded cards keep the interface consistent across the feed and detail screen. Here is the Android Studio project behind the UI. The project tree separates data, navigation, reusable components, and the discovery, details, and watchlist features. The app uses view models and UI state, with a centralized nav host connecting the screens. Cursor, using Claude Sonnet 5, assisted with the coding workflow, but the UI remains the focus. This version uses local mock data, so the video focuses on the UI, navigation, and interaction flow, rather than a live backend. For the technical tip, look at the reusable MoviePosterCard. The same card appears inside the horizontal Action Thrillers row and inside the search results grid. The useful Compose detail is where sizing responsibility lives. The card accepts a modifier from its parent. In the horizontal row, the parent gives it a fixed width. In the grid, the parent uses fill max width, so the card follows the available column size. Inside the component, fill max width and a 2:3 aspect ratio preserve the poster shape. ContentScale.Crop fills that shape without stretching the image. Title and rating stay in the reusable structure. This keeps layout decisions outside the component. One composable can adapt to two containers without duplicating the poster UI or hard-coding one screen-specific size. Back in the emulator, adding Nebula Drift from the details screen updates the watchlist, so the final result is more than a set of static screens. UiLover members can get the complete Android Studio source and the asset files. Level 2 also includes the editable design files for further study and customization. The AI prompts, README, and tool rules are included as bonus material. Which Cinephile screen would you build first? Discovery, movie details, or watchlist?